सब्सक्राइब कीजिए स्टडी विद सर अमन चैनल को और नए वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशन पाने के लिए बेल आइकन को प्रेस कीजिए।
Good morning all of you. Today we will continue profit and loss. This is the first video profit and loss. Those who have not seen, go and watch it. And today's class is all about discount. What is discount? How to use it? Let us see. What is discount? Check. Discount in simple language, if I will tell you, a shopkeeper gives you an offer or the reduction on the marked price of their good. That reduction is known as discount. What does it means? That if shopkeepers takes less money than the printed price, that is known as discount. Okay, discount is always calculated on marked price. Here you will get one new word, that is marked price. MARKED, marked price. Okay, what is marked price? The price which is printed on the article is known as marked price. It has two more names, marked price or list price or printed price or catalog price. All are same. Okay, in this exercise we will come across with two new things, that is marked price and discount. In discount in general, all of you know what is the meaning of discount, how to get it. Suppose that I am telling you, if the cost of an article is 100 rupees and the shopkeeper is taking only 90 rupees, so what is the discount in this? Discount is 10 rupees. And how to calculate? Very simple, 100 rupees minus 90 rupees. So by formula, marked price minus selling price. Rest all the formulas are old, which we will use in this exercise. Okay, so first we will see exercise question number 1, how to solve it. Check here nicely. An article is marked for 1300. Marked means what is given here? Marked price. Marked price means the price which is printed. And sold for, sold means selling price, 1144. Find the discount percent. What is the discount percent? Okay, let us see the solution. Marked price 1300, selling price 1144. Discount, what is the formula? Marked price minus selling price. If you don't know formula, apply your common sense. That price, printed price is 1300 and shopkeeper is giving you at 1144. Some money he is reducing, that is only known as discount. What is the discount here in rupee? 156 rupees he is taking less, so discount is 156. But here we have to find the percentage of discount. Okay, so discount percentage formula is what? Same like gain percent and loss percent. Discount percent, discount into 100 by mark price. Okay, why mark price? Because discount is calculated on mark price. Calculate, your answer will come very easily. Okay, question number 2. The marked price of a dining table is 23,600. Marked price means printed price, MP. Available at a discount. Discount is given 8%. Find its selling price. Check. Marked price is 23,600. Shopkeeper is giving you discount 8%. So what is its selling price? So if we know the formula of selling price, very easily we can find out. Let us see solution. How to solve any question I have told you. From the given question word problem, take the information. MP is given, discount is given, we need selling price. Direct you put in formula, 100 minus discount percent by 100 into MP. Calculate, 92 by 100, 0000 cancel, multiply. So how much money you have to pay? 21,712 rupees. Okay, fully based on formula. Question number 5. A shopkeeper buys an article, buys What is 450? Can you identify? Buys means cost price is 450. He marks it at 20% above the cost price. Are you understanding the condition? Shopkeeper is buying a thing, then he is marking 20% above. Means suppose that a shopkeeper bought at 100 rupees, then he is writing on it 20% above, means 120. Okay, after that he will sell the item. In this question, what do we need? We need three things. Okay, one by one we will see in solution. See, question is clear. Cost price is 450, mark price is 20% above. General condition, 20% above means 20% more. 450 plus 20% of 450 means 450 plus 90, 540. So number one we need what is the mark price. Mark price is okay. Then we need what is the selling price if the discount is 10%. Mark price is here, discount percentage is given. We will put the selling price formula. Answer will come. Now third condition is what? We need discount percent if the same article is sold at 496 rupees and 80 paise. Okay, so mark price is 540, selling price is given. In this time, in third case, we need what is the discount percent. For discount percent we need what is the discount in rupee. So mark price minus selling price. Okay, then discount percent, discount into 100 by mark price. Do calculation, your answer will come. Those who are having a little bit problem, you rewind, go back, read the question, listen the question, try to understand the question, then see the solution. Okay, you will understand. Check next question. The numbers which I am leaving are of same kind. Try by yourself. By selling an article at 20% discount, what is the information? Discount 20%, gains 25%, selling price of the article is given. Selling price is 1440. Three datas are given. Number one we need mark price, then we need cost price. How we will solve this? Very easy. By reading the word problem, I have told you, take out the information. Okay, see how to solve. Check all the three information I have written. Number one, I need mark price. For mark price, what I need? For mark price I need selling price and discount percentage. That is already given. Put the formula 100 by 100 minus discount percent into selling price. 100 by 100 minus 20 into 1440. At first you subtract, then you cancel it, multiply. What is the mark price? 1800. Marked price means, always remember, printed price. Any article you buy, the price which is written on it is known as marked price. Number two, I need cost price. Check. For cost price you need selling price and gain percentage. Check, both the details are given on the question. Put the value 100 by 100 plus gain percent into SP, as we have done in our previous exercises. Okay, multiply, your answer will come. Now one more important thing, all of you listen it carefully. Suppose that in case you don't understand, at first you go through the book nicely, then you read the question, then once more you watch this video, you will understand it in a better way. Okay, thank you, God bless you.